Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making peanut butter Captain Crunch French toast breakfast for Bay. So let's get into this recipe. It was so delicious, so easy to make, kind of unique to me anyway. But yeah, these are my ingredients. You're gonna need eggs, of course, some bread. I have brioche bread here, the Captain Crunch back there, peanut butter flavored, and all the goodies, the milk, the vanilla, the cinnamon, actual peanut butter. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with that. That's my little twist on it, because this recipe is already on the internet. So, I didn't make this up. But my twist is I'm adding peanut butter to the actual batter of the French toast. So you want to break your eggs into a bowl. We're going to work on the batter first and set it to the side. You want to add your melted peanut butter. I melted it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Mix that up. Now, right here, it's going to look like you messed up. You did not mess up. You just got to keep mixing until it incorporates. If it separates, that's totally fine. Maybe because, the peanut butter hit the cold egg and it just started to solidify. You didn't mess up. Again, you didn't mess up. Add your eggs, your cinnamon, your vanilla, mix that up. And we're just going to put it to the side and then work on the rest of the recipe. Alright, so you're just going to put your peanut butter flavored Captain Crunch in the food processor, or you could just use a Ziploc bag, but I'm making life easier on myself by using a food processor. Put it in there, zip it a couple seconds. Now, somebody's going to zip this to death. I keep telling y'all about overly doing things. Don't get in my comments telling me yours didn't look like mine. Zip it a couple seconds, and this is how it should look. Rough. You don't want powder, you want rough. Next, I'm going to start cooking the other elements of the dish, which is bacon and scrambled eggs. To my scrambled eggs, I'm going to add a Mrs. Dash Southwest salt-free seasoning, but you can season your eggs however you want to. I didn't overdo it here because the French toast is the star of the show. To your melted butter in a pot, just add your eggs, add some cheese, mix it up. That's your scrambled eggs. So let's move on. So with clean hands, you want to take your bread, or if you have gloves, wear gloves. Dunk your bread into your mixture. Then you want to drop it right down into the Captain Crunch. And that's it. Look at God. It's over. I mean, it's not hard to do. It's not rocket science. It's about patience and just making sure you're paying attention. So this is what I learned from making this dish. I pack it on because, first of all, I tested this dish before I showed it to you guys. And packing it on, to me, makes it crispy. So I don't mean pile it on, but make sure you press it on there to really get it on there in order for it to be crispy after you cook it. So this is what it looks like, and we're about to cook it off. This is my pot. I have a little oil, a little butter, and I'm cooking it at 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. When you flip it, it should look like this. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to plate this up, add the eggs right there. I'm then going to add some bacon on here. Oh, for the record, this is what Babe requested after I done slaved to the store and got the steak and pasta, you guys. He wanted brunch. So happy birthday, Babe. I love you. I hope you enjoyed your brunch. But anyway, you're not going to get this in a restaurant, you guys. You can make this yourself in the comfort of your home from Misha's Corner. Okay, and you just want to put your maple syrup or your regular syrup like I am and just enjoy. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my opinion at the end, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye. guys, let me tell you something. This this French toast, I want somebody, just one, can one of y'all, so people don't think I'm lying, can one of y'all please go buy a box of cereal and make this recipe? Just one person. One, I only need one. First of all, this is good as AF. You hear me? AF. Child. The peanut butter flavor is insane in here. It's so good.